Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your existing account on the Bybit application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Bybit application on your device. And right within the homepage, you will find the sign up and login button. Go ahead and tap on it. And you now have two different options to log in. If you used your phone number while signing up, then you can choose your phone number. Otherwise, you can use your email address as well. Just enter either your phone number or your email address and then type in the account password that you have set within the password box. After typing both your credentials, tap on the Login Now button and you will be logged into your account within this application right away. If you have signed up using your Google or your Telegram account, you can tap on the respective buttons as well. And if you have forgotten any of your credentials, you can tap on the Forgot Password button in order to recover them using your email or your phone. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your existing account on the Bybit application. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.